Hi guys, welcome back to another market review video. Today is July 1st, 2022, and we're going to be talking about the ETFMG Prime Junior Silver Miners, SILJ ticker symbol. About SILJ, the Prime Junior Silver Miners ETF seeks to provide investment results that before fees and expenses correspond generally to the total return of the Prime Junior Silver Miners and Explorer Index, the PJRSILVN. The categories are materials. The sectors are silver miners. It was introduced to the market November 28th, 2012. It is managed by Sam Mescalini and Frank Villario. And below is the website where you can check out all the information. The Prospectus Principal Investment Strategies, the ETFMG Prime 2X Daily Junior Silver Miners ETF seeks daily investment results before fees and expenses that correspond to 2 times 2x or 200% the return of the Prime Junior Silver Miners Explorers Index for a single day, not for any other period. A single day is measured from the time the fund calculates its net asset value to the time of the fund's next net asset value calculation. The return of the fund for periods longer than a single day will be the result of its return for each day compounded over the period. The fund returns for periods longer than a single day will very likely differ in amount and possibly even direction from the fund's stated multiple 2x times the return of the index for the same period. For periods longer than a single day, the fund will lose money if the index's performance is flat, and it is possible that the fund will lose money even if the level of the index rises. Longer holding periods, higher index volatility, and greater leveraged exposure each exacerbate the impact of compounding on an investor's return. During periods of higher index volatility, the volatility of the index may affect the fund's returns as much as or more than the return of the index. Prospectus Principal Investment Risks. The fund presents different risks than other types of funds. The fund uses leverage and is riskier than similarly benchmarked funds that do not use leverage. The fund may not be suitable for all investors and should be used only by knowledgeable investors who understand the consequences of seeking daily leveraged 2x or 200% investment results, including the impact of compounding on fund performance. Investors in the fund should actively manage and monitor their investments as frequently as daily. An investor in the fund could potentially lose the full principal value of their investment within a single day. Principal investment risks continued. The effects of compounding and market volatility risk, leverage risk, silver exploration and production industry concentration risk, counterparty risk, foreign investment risk, and more. SILJ current stats as of July 1st, 2022 has a current market price of $9.40, which is below its 200 moving day average of $12.56, 26%, down by 26% off of that. 52-week range has a range between a low of $9.27 to a high of $15.66. It has a total asset or market capitalization of $735 million. It has a net expense ratio of 0.69%. It has a 1-month return of 10.01%, has a year-to-date return of minus 11.38%, a 1-month return of negative 10.01%, and a 1-year return of negative 37.11%. And it is options enabled. SILJ Performance. Distribution yield is the measurement of cash flow paid by an exchange-traded fund, real estate investment trust, or another type of income-paying vehicle. Rather than calculating the yield based on an aggregate of distributions, the most recent distribution is annualized and divided by the net asset value of the security at the time of the payment. SILJ has a distribution yield, or a TTM, of 0.41%. It has a price-to-earnings ratio of 15.74. It does not have an annual dividend yield, therefore it does not have an ex-dividend date. Its 60-month beta is 1.83, and SILJ has an implied volatility of 57.4%. SILJ Top 10 Holdings. It is comprised of 57 companies in total. Number 1 being First Majestic Silver Corp. at 12.84%, Turquoise Hill Resources at 12.32%, Yamana Gold Inc. at 8.91%, Pan America Silver at 7.17%, Mag Silver Corp. at 4.88%, SSR Mining Inc. at 4.39%, Silvercrest Metals at 4.06%, Hecla Mining at 3.21%, Harmony Gold at 2.85%, Compañía de Minas Buenaventura at 2.66%, SILJ Geographic Footprint. SILJ has exposure to mining companies in Canada at 83.54%, in the United States of 7.12%, South Africa 3.49%, Peru 2.84%, the United Kingdom 0.97%, Luxembourg of 0.68%, Australia of 0.5%, and the British Virgin Islands of 0.09%. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. Do not take anything on YouTube as financial advice. Do your own research. Consult a professional investment advisor before making any investment decisions. My YouTube analysis is for entertainment purposes only. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your thoughts on SILJ. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in the next market review.